Hey guys, Sarv this side. Today we are going to see the Leet code problem longest substring without repeating characters. So this we are going to see in golang. We are going to write a program of golang. Firstly what we'll do, we'll write the program and then we'll understand how it is working. What exactly we have to do, I will see this example. Let's say this is the string and here if we can see like from A, B, C till C there is no repeated character, so length will be 3. But after this it is repeated. Similarly we have to see in all the complete string. Here you can see B is repeated, so length will be 1 only. And here we can see here this is the length maximum length substring. Okay, let's start the coding without wasting time, then I will make you understand how it works. Okay, so what I am doing here, firstly I will take 2 pointers and see we can solve it by using 2 for loop. That is a brute force approach. You can use 2 for loop and you can create all the substrings, but here I am going to give you optimized approach, that is called sliding window approach or 2 pointers approach. So in sliding window approach we are going to take 2 pointers L, R, both I am initializing with 0. Similarly maximum length I can keep like max length colon equal to 0 I have taken. And here one thing I am going to do, I will be taking one map mp or has, you can mp colon equal to make. What will be the type of this map? I am taking as a white. Why white? So let me create first. I will tell, and here I will be going to store index, so that will be of integer type. Now why I have taken this byte? So in golang, if you will see, if I will fetch a, if I am going to store a, it will be stored as a byte. Okay, it will be stored as a byte. Since all these substrings means ABC single characters are byte in golang, so it will store as a byte. Okay, now let's start one for loop. So here what I am going to do, I am going to run my for loop till r is less than length of string. So this loop will execute until its length. Okay, and here we are going to return max length. Okay, now what we have to do here, first thing we have to check if particular character is there in map or not, just to check if it is repeated or not. Okay, so let's say we'll find the index, since we are going to store the index as I told. So index we are going to store and exist will be there. So mp of what we have to, string of r, because we are going to move right pointer, not left. Right pointer we are going to move, so I am checking if it is there or not. So if exist, if it is found, okay, then what we have to do, if it is found we have to check if this particular index is greater than L or not. Okay, greater than equal to L or not, so it should be greater than or equal to L. So let's index, if index is greater than equal to L, then only what we are going to do, we are going to increase the L. Since it is matched means it is found, so L directly we can move it to the next position. L equal to, what will be the next position? Since the next position will be this. Okay, next position will be value this index plus one, wherever it was, index plus 1. Since we have repeated, it was on, let's say till here, since it was repeated, so A will come. Now next L will move here, so B will move there. Okay, so index plus 1. Now what we can do, we can, now we have to update this map. Okay, so map we can update, since a character is there. So how we'll update it? So map, in map we'll store map of r equal to r, will store the index, new index it will be stored, map of r equal to r, and length we are going to calculate. Length will be length, one more variable I am going to take, length equal to r plus L, sorry, r minus L plus 1. This we can take. Length, one more variable I'm taking here. Length colon equal to 0. Okay, now what we can do, we can check if max length is less than length. So what we'll do, we'll store max length equal to length. This we can do. Okay, now we have to move our pointer also. So r equal to plus 1 or r plus simply we can mention. Anything else? Now what will happen? L it will move, L we are moving here, R we are moving here, maximum length we are calculating here. Okay, I think it's enough. Let's run it. If anything we are missing, we'll get to know. Okay, so here cannot use our variable of type int as byte. Okay, sorry. So here this we have to take it as of our string. We have to take. Now run it. What value we are getting? Yes, all test cases are passed. Let's try to submit it. Okay, great. It is submitted only within 8 milliseconds it has taken. So this is the fast approach and called sliding window approach. Why sliding window approach? Because we are moving the L from left to the next position where it is repeated. So if I will go here in description, if I will go here, if you can see, first time our L was here. Okay, L was here, but R went here. Okay, let me go here. So first time all L was here, next time R was here. So what we are doing, maximally these indexes we are storing into map. Okay, now here. So what we can do, this since L we can directly move to here next position of this founded value. Okay, so L will come here. No, L will come here actually. L will come here and R will come here. This is R. Okay, this is R. So guys, if you have any doubt, you can put me in comments.